Hi, I'm Tracy, the Agapanthus Queen from Littlewood Agapanthus Farm. We'd love it if you would subscribe to our videos and if you would ask us some questions. It makes us think about our Agapanthus, and we can troubleshoot our Agapanthus together so that our gardens look fantastic. So please subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. We're going to continue our video series on troubleshooting Agapanthus. We get a lot of questions about my Agapanthus or this or that, what can I do? So we're going to talk today about things that eat your Agapanthus. One of the problems that is perennial in all gardens are these little notched edges of the Agapanthus leaves, and you often find it in other plants in your garden as well. You can really see the little bug that's been here because it leaves the bottom of the leaves and it just chews these little notches out of the tips of the leaves, making them look frilled, really. Now that is a garden weevil. There are numerous different types of weevils, but this is a garden weevil. The little pests come out at night time. They make it pretty difficult to do anything about them. If you've got the problem in a small area, you can very easily go out at night time after dark with a torch and just pick the weevils off. They'll be right up the tips. One of the things that they do if you disturb them is they play dead, and they just drop to the ground and play dead, but they're fine. They have generally 1 or 2 life cycles per year, and they hide in the soil under the mulch. After mating, they will lay eggs down in the soil. They have a little grub that will eat the rhizome. Now, with big strong Agapanthus like this, they do nothing to the Agapanthus. But if you've got a very big infestation in a smaller Agapanthus, you may find that they actually do quite a bit of damage, and particularly when the little grubs eat the rhizome. The thing to do if it's a small area is to go out at night time with a torch after dark and just pick those weevils off, and then you can kill them. You might need to use a pesticide, but be aware that some of the pesticides will kill bees. And so if you're going to do that, you want to do it when there are no flowers so that the bees are not affected. One of the things that we do to keep that particular bug down is we have chickens which we move from round to round, and they are terrific for scratching around the soil and getting those little grubs, and also for keeping the weeds down as well. And guinea fowl are particularly fantastic for finding bugs and eating them. So you can see there are a number of things you can do to keep this pest under control, but you'll probably have to do it continually each year for a while.